Meantime, Pastor John Hagee is suing over the school order. Eyewitness News reporter Zach Briggs shares what's in the lawsuit.
Parents of children attending Cornerstone Christian Schools have joined Pastors John and Matthew Hagee in suing Bexar County and San Antonio officials. They argue the Metro Health's directive is unconstitutional and violates religious freedoms. It restricts all public and private schools from opening until after Labor Day. The filing says Cornerstone parents would face hardships if they are unable to send their kids back to school before Labor Day, such as having to quit their jobs. Mayor Ron Nierenberg stressed the faith community has been proactive to protect its congregates. He also criticized Attorney General Paxton.
Every time it seems that our Attorney General appears on the scene during this pandemic, it creates confusion and chaos, and it leaves a wake. And that confusion and chaos could cost lives this fall.
The city has worked with several private religious schools on compliance for the upcoming school year, but they've yet to reach out with Cornerstone. City Attorney Andy Segovia says there will be repercussions for those schools which fail to follow Metro Health's order.
There's a range of enforcement mechanisms. Obviously, we don't want to use really any of them, but we will enforce the order if we need to.
So Cornerstone Christian Schools does plan to reopen back up on August 17th, and that goes for in-person and virtual classroom instruction. And I did reach out with a company official earlier today for further comment on this lawsuit. They declined. On the Northwest Side tonight, Zach Briggs, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.